Hi everyone, it's Kim with Vegas on a Dime. Welcome back. Today we are at the Horseshoe. We are on the 22nd floor. We do have a view here looking south towards MGM Grand. This used to be a part of a suite, so the room does feel a little bit smaller compared to their regular room. There is a desk here with a chair. Lots of charging outlets. Got a nice king-size bed. And then over here we've got a table and 2 chairs in front of the window. We have stayed at the Horseshoe before. I will drop a link in the description for a full resort tour. In this cupboard over here we do have a fridge. It is empty for your personal use, which is a nice touch in their standard rooms here at the Horseshoe. And like I said, this was a part of a suite, so there is a connecting door. And then you've got a full-length mirror here. And here's just another view of the room area. And then over here you do get a little bit larger of a bathroom. You've got a closet with a luggage rack, and then just down here you've got a seating area for getting ready with your own sink. It would be nice if someone is in the bathroom, you're still able to get ready. You do have a regular bathroom here behind the door. You've got another sink, a nice walk-in shower. You've got the toiletries there on the wall for your use. And then behind me in the corner here, they do have the toilet. So this is the room here at the Horseshoe, August 2025. If you've liked this video, we would love if you subscribe to our channel. Also follow us on Facebook, Vegas on a Dime. We post a lot of great deals and content, Vegas related and beyond. Thanks so much for watching.